You're listening to Earsnacks. Yeah. With Andrew and Polly.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Polly, and it's International Pie Day.
Oh, boy!
Andrew, you know I love pie. It's my number one favorite food. There's really nothing else that I like ever more in the entire world except for grapes.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
And jelly beans.
Oh, you also, that's
and
true.
grilled cheese sandwiches.
And
yogurt.
wait.
And broccoli.
You have a lot of favorite foods.
Oh, you're right. I do like a lot of different kinds of food. Okay, back to pie.
Yes! March 14th is Pie Day.
Yes, 3.14.
Yeah, 3/14.
Andrew, do you know what I'm going to do?
What's that, Polly?
I'm going to look at pictures of pie on Instagram.
What? Pictures?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And what about friends if they eat some pie?
Oh, friends too?
Yep, them eating pies.
Okay, sounds good.
Yum. Do you know what My Dear Snacks will be about?
Yep.
Pie!
Ear snack. 3.14159265. I'm Jordan Polly.
Good morning. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Polly.
And we are talking about...
Pie. Pie.
That's right, pie. We have some questions about pie.
Yes.
Well, first of all, how do you feel about pie?
Great. Good. I like pie. Yummy.
I'm so glad to hear that because I have no idea what pie is. Can someone explain it to me?
Pie's a type of food, Andrew. It's kind of like a cake. It's a dessert food. It's round. Right, or round. Oval. It will taste like yummy blueberries. Blueberries? Juicy. Blueberry pie. It's similar to a cake, but it has a little bit of different ingredients. And you can put any fruit or vegetable you want in it.
A baked dish of fruit or meat and vegetables, typically with a top and base of pastry.
There's different kinds of pies. Apples. Pie stuff. Lemon. Pumpkin pie. Yes, pumpkin pie. I like to eat pumpkin pie. Peach. Cherry pie. Yeah, cherry pie. Strawberries for strawberry pie. Blueberry pie. Banana. Apple pie. Apple. And other pies. And there's a chocolate pie, vanilla pie, ice cream pie.
Ice cream pie?
There's different kinds of pies. And that is what a pie is.
How do you make a pie?
Well, you make a pie by adding... First, you put cake in it. My favorite pie is the inside. Any fruit and vegetable, some eggs, maybe some flour. Daddy, you got all the ingredients for my blueberry pie.
Oh, yeah. What were the ingredients again?
Blueberries, flour, salt, and butter.
Yeah? And what shall we put them in to bake them?
The oven. I have so many ovens. You want to bake them small or big or bigger?
I want to bake them bigger.
Okay.
What temperature should we put the oven at?
It could be 5 degrees.
5 degrees? Is that hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 1 degree is cold.
How will we know when it's ready?
You'll know when it's ready and you'll smell blueberries and jam.
What would be a really ridiculous pie?
What kind of pie would a dinosaur eat?
Well, the bees would eat a meat pie and the plant eaters would eat a plant pie.
Oh, yeah, the meat eaters would eat a meat pie and the plant eaters would eat a plant pie. Did you think of any ridiculous pies?
Socks pie.
Ugh, how would that taste?
Yucky. It's ridiculous, though. But it's pretend.
Oh, will you share it with your friends?
I will.
Yay! Who will you share your pretend pie?
I'm sure with my friend Joey.
Do you think Siri would like some pie?
Yes.
Siri, do you like pie?
3.14159 is one of my favorite numbers.
Pie. Good pie. 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9. Good pie. 2, 3, 8, 4, 6. We love you, Andrew and Polly. 2, 6, 4, 3, 8, 3, 2. Ear Snacks is made by Andrew and Polly. Thanks for listening.